Good day all, I hope you're having a good day. What we've got today is an Asus laptop. It's essentially the follow-on from the battery video, except this is less focused on the battery because, as you can see, it's already sat in there. I mean, it's a little bit janky, as you can see, because it's got what looks like duct tape on it, which it is duct tape. But yeah, the MacBook batteries and the old battery management system, the BMS, is all in there. What we're doing today is just giving the fan a little bit of a clean up. Just going to upgrade it in any which way I can, and just get it ready for being a usable laptop. Alright, now the fan's nice and clean, I'm just going to, unfortunately on these you've got to lift the motherboard and there's no other way to get to the RAM. It's single slot, or single channel, so I've put an 8GB stick in there. All I've got really is DDR3 on that one. Just get that all plugged in, make sure it's seated nicely, because the last thing I want to do is be doing this again. And the Wi-Fi chips, or Wi-Fi card's a bit of a pain as well, because it sort of pings out and doesn't want to stay in place. But once that's all in, we'll get that screwed in. I'm also going to give it an SSD as well, and that should hopefully make it run a little bit faster than it already does, because it's not great. But yeah, I just need to get the keyboard back on it now, get it all plugged in, screwed down, yada yada yada. But that's enough for this short video. If you like it and you like videos like this, then please subscribe for more. Thank you very much, have a great day.